Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that American Flyer Caboose. I picked this up, I don't know, several months ago now, I think. Anyway, this is quite old. And it was in fair condition and missing both of its couplers, of course. So I added a Lionel coupler to it just so I could run it. And I just finalized the mount for the light. This is actually an original lighted car. So it has a plate with a socket attached directly to it. And of course the chassis supplies the ground. Power is soldered directly to the bottom of that socket. So I ran it over to a Lionel roller and using mounting tabs. These are foam mounting tabs that I soaked in epoxy, 5-minute epoxy, and then applied it. So you can just pop this thing back off if you want to. But the nice thing about it is it's rigidly mounted and it works. That's the best thing about it. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. So I just got this basically finished. As you see, good bright lighted car. And the nice thing about it is it runs flicker free. So it is missing its original coupler. So I added a Lionel coupler to it just so I could run it. And thought I'd do a quick video. This is a Lionel Consist. I think there's 16 cars. Running the Marks 1998 diesel that I've got the Lionel adapters on. Anyway, I thought I'd take this around so you can see it running. You can see that roller works perfectly. It's flicker free all the way around the rail. This actually works quite well. Really simple to do. It only took a few minutes. And the nice thing about it, it didn't require any modification to the original truck. If you want to remove it, stick a screwdriver under it, give it a twist, it'll pop right off. But in the meantime, you have a rigid mounted power roller to light this caboose. And as you see, that works quite well. Like I said, it's flicker free all the way around the rail. So good solid contact with that center rail on the track. Anyway, it was an expedient, but it worked, and allowed me to add that roller so I could light this car. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. It's 12 degrees here today, so I've been finding busy work to do. It's too cold to go anywhere, and thought it'd be a good time to spend a few minutes on this American Flyer Caboose. Like I said, this thing is quite old. This is 85 years old, something like that. And it was an original lighted car. Of course, the roller was missing. Both of the couplers were missing. And fortunately, there's a hole in either end, as you see. So I could just use a screw and a nut, and I just mounted a Lionel coupler on it, just to give me a chance to run it. But it works. It actually runs quite well. It's bigger than the standard Lionel cars, as you can probably tell. But it's an old original rail car, up and running, and it's lighted. So that Lionel roller actually fits that truck quite well. So a bit of epoxy, a couple of mounting tabs, that's permanently affixed until you pop it back off with a screwdriver. So the nice thing about it is it'll last this way virtually forever, until you remove it in any case. Excuse me. Anyway, so just a quick video, just doing busy work, keep myself busy, give myself something to do, so lots of little things like this. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com, and as always, thank you for watching.